Today we're showcasing our app, Eventful, which is an app that allows users to create and share events and then invite their friends to these created events. Again, we'll just simply showcase user flow. So the user will log in. Here I have an account that's already registered. We're using Cognito to handle secure user sign up and login flow. Again, on the homepage, this just shows on the top, we have 3 options to filter out different events. Here in the All tab, this shows all the events that the user has either created or been invited to. We're using pagination, so this fetches 6 events at a time. As the user continues to scroll, it'll show more events until there are no more events to be fetched. Again, hosting tab, these are all the events that the user has created. Again, right now, the functions are limited to, we don't really necessarily have a search function, which can easily be implemented in the future. And then right now, all the events are sorted by their created at or updated at date. So the most recent events that you've either edited or been invited to will show up at the top. Again, we'll just click into an event that the user has created. For example, this one. This is for my dog's 5-month celebration. Again, if the user has created this event, there'll be a button to invite friends. This tile shows the basic information, time, capacity, host. Click on the host takes the user to the user profile page, which just shows basic information. And coming back to this about section, we have a poster image for the event. We also have a message board that allows users to post messages, send it that you guys are coming, for example. Then I'll send a message. User also has the option to manually refresh or update this tile. Again, if the user leaves this page open, this will just automatically refresh every minute. We also have a people tile. This shows all the users that's been invited to the party. The tab right here shows all the users that are going, users that are not going, and then these are the pending invites that are waiting for the users to respond. We also have a location tile. This is using Amazon location service. We're using an interactive map, and then this get directions button, it's integrated with Google Maps API, which takes users to the get direction page from Google Maps. Again, click on that, it shows the name of the event and then the exact location. Since this is an event that the user has created, we have an edit event form, which the user can easily use to edit and save changes. Okay, so this says invalid date and time, must be in the future. So obviously this is from yesterday. We'll update that to a future time, save changes, update it successfully, and now we have an updated name. So we'll go back and then show an event that the user has been invited to. For example, this one, Oppenheimer movie. Again, what's changed, what's different is that instead of the invite friends button, we'll have RSVP. Right now, you can see that I've already RSVP'd going to this event. So my name also shows up in the going people tab. We'll change that to not going, sending our RSVP. And immediately my name pops up at the not going. So again, there won't be any edit form button. I'll just briefly also go over the create event flow. So let's create a new event. I have some information that I've prepared already. We'll say let's make this window a little narrower, put that there. Say description to come celebrate with us. We also have detail right here. We'll set capacity to just 12 people, for example. We can set a date, set that to tomorrow, time, let's just do random time. Public event, location, so this is, we're streaming location service directly from AWS, so we can use this as a search bar. We can search for example, like bars in Brooklyn, and then that'll show a list of different bars in Brooklyn, but we can also get really specific with it. For example, we can name a place like Amity Hall, and then that'll show the restaurant or the bar. We can choose an image. I've also prepared an image. So submit. So now image is being uploaded to S3 bucket, and then events are being posted to the DynamoDB backend. Event created successfully. Great. Immediately, the user will be taken to the page of the new event. So again, this is all the information that we've just uploaded. So here we can try out the invite friends. Click on that. I'll invite my other account, which is not registered with this app. So we'll add a message. Hope you can make it. Send invitation, sending successfully. So now I can check my email, go to my other, immediately I receive an email that's saying, oh, Leo has invited you to graduation dinner, and then providing this link. We'll copy that link, we'll open it in a new window. So again, since this user is not registered with the app, I'll just briefly show the sign up flow. So again, you can pick a username, password, sign up. I'll do Leo, new spot, email. Great, sign up. So now it's sending a confirmation email. I've already received that. We'll copy the confirmation code, go back to this tab, enter it, confirm. So now we're taken directly to the page. What I can do now is RSVP, respond with the status of going, and then that is sending RSVP. Great. So immediately you can see my name is showing up in the going tab. And then if I go back to here, refresh the page, you can see my name pop out in the going as well. So we can test out the message. I can say, hi, Leo. Send the message. Here, we can refresh, and I'll see my name. Hi, Leo. Send. And if we hit refresh, that'll show up as well. So everything is working as expected. Again, we also implemented a notification. So this is polling messages from SQS. When the user has invited someone, or when the user respond with the RSVP, it'll send the other, either the host or the user that's been invited to a message. And then the client side will poll messages every 5 to 10 minutes or so. So eventually the user will also get notified on the front end. There'll be a little red button that show up. Again, if we wait a little bit, which I'll fast forward this demo, and you will see that the notification will just show up. And while waiting on that, I can show that our app is fully optimized for mobile front end as well. So again, I can change this to responsive, just show the front end. So again, fully responsive front end. Go to my events page. As you can see, the app create event also changes to a button which user can use. Okay, so it seems like we just got a notification on this account. So we click on that. It says Leo Zhang has invited me to graduation dinner. And then this was from 16 hours ago when I invited myself to this other event. So again, immediately you can click on the graduation dinner, which will take the user to this page, which we're already on. And then we can simply dismiss the message. We can also check back on it. Dismiss. So hopefully in a little bit, notification will also show up on the host page. Okay, great. I just received a notification. So I waited around 3 minutes since my other account replied with the RSVP. So again, as you can see in this message, it shows that Leo Spot has accepted my invitation to graduation dinner. I can click on that, and that will take us to this page. You can see Leo Spot is in the going tile. We can dismiss the message, and yes, that completes the entire user flow. Again, thank you so much for listening. This is our Eventful app, and have a nice day.